Minasyaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Subhanaka la ilma lana illa ma 'allamtana innaka antal alimul hakim wa ba'd. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Esteemed outgoing Governor, our Baba, Honorable Abdul Rauf A. Makakua, now our BARM Interim Chief Minister, our newly appointed Provincial Governor, Honorable Dato Sharifuddin Tukaw B. Mastura, CPA, Congresswoman for Maguindanao del Norte and Cotabato City, Honorable by City Shahara I. Mastura, the Vice Governor, Honorable Abdul Nasser M. Abbas, board members of the Sangguniang Palalawigan of Maguindanao del Norte, MILG Provincial Director, Ma'am Tarhata Balading, PhD, members of the Parliament na nandirito po sa atin. Nakasama po namin yung dating Provincial Administrator, which is now member of the Parliament. Honorable Mayors of the 12 municipalities of Maguindanao del Norte, my valued colleagues, the department heads of this province, media friends, ladies and gentlemen, and of course, our incoming Governor, Sir Papa Tukaw Mastura. On behalf of the department heads of Maguindanao del Norte, it is both an honor and a privilege to express our deepest gratitude to our esteemed leaders as we witness this significant transition of leadership. To our outgoing Governor, Abdul Rauf A. Makakua, we extend our heartfelt appreciation for your unwavering dedication and sincerity and invaluable contributions to the growth and development of our very infant province. Your leadership has paved the way for progress. You inspired us and we committed to public service no matter what. You left us a lasting impact on the people of Maguindanao del Norte. We thank you for the guidance, the wisdom, and tireless efforts in steering in us towards a brighter future. You are an inspiration, sir. Sa ating bagong provincial governor, anak, lagi mo akong tinatawag na auntie, napakasarap sa tainga. But we are very much inspired that we have now a governor in the name of Honorable Dato Sharifuddin Tukaw Pana Mastura. We warmly welcome you with full support and confidence in your leadership. Your appointment signifies a new chapter filled with both promise and challenges. This turnover is not just a passing of responsibility, but a reaffirmation of our collective duty to serve Maguindanao del Norte with the best of our abilities. We, the department heads, are committed to working collaboratively with your administration to ensure that your vision becomes a reality, inshallah. With Allah's guidance, together, we will build a more progressive, inclusive, holding the highest standards of public service as mandated by the Civil Service Commission on us. Promote efficiency, integrity, and resilient province for all in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, inshallah. Maraming salamat at mabuhay tayong lahat. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Sukran jazilan. Ramadan Karim to all of us.
And that concludes our activity this afternoon. May I now request our guests to gather for the photo ops or congratulatory actions